dolls, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Exquisite.dee. Hope you dolls having a great day. Let's get into this video. So today's video, I'm showing you this wig. I'm just gonna go right into the details. So it does come with 2 wig combs in the front, a wig comb in the back, and this is the part. It's supposed to be 5 inches, I think. I don't remember, but pretty sure it's 5 inches. And I'm just showing you the lace as well. So this hair is a synthetic unit. Yes, y'all. This is a lace front outre style coco. So this is the outre wig style coco, y'all. I know y'all know about this hair. So I'm just showing you the card. And let's get into the styling. So I'm showing y'all how it looks like on my head before anything. So this is how it looks straight out the box before the lace is cut. I'm just trying to make sure everything line up well because I will be gluing this wig down with with Ghost Bond because I want it to look like it's coming out my scalp. So this is the part. You see how you can see through because you can see my cap underneath there. It's a really long part. I don't think you need to pluck it, but if you want to, you go ahead. So I use Ghost Bond glue to adhere all my wigs down that I want to wear for a while. And I'm just showing you I use 70% alcohol. I use the green bottle because it doesn't really mess up my skin. I don't know. I just use that. So right now, I'm just going to clip my hair back. Get all it out the way because we about to slay and melt this lace down, y'all. Yes, look at me looking like an alien. So I'm just showing y'all how it looks like up close before I really go into installing it. So you first get the alcohol, and you can use a cotton swab, and you just rub around your edges because you want to take all the oils and any dirt that's on your skin. And then I'm just putting dots. I'm gonna put 1 install. I usually used to do by parts, but now I find it more easier to just do your whole hairline instead of just doing by sections. So I just get a little stick or whatever. I think this is like a nail filer. I don't remember, but those little cheap nail filers. And I'm just gonna spread the glue down and make it even. So I let it dry, and and I put a couple layers. I think I put like 2 or 3 layers because I'm gonna wear this hair for a week. So now I put the wig on. I didn't cut the lace off. And I get a blow dryer just to blow dry the hair. Y'all, this video is going fast. I thought I edited it to go slow, but y'all, it's going fast. So I get the blow dryer just to make sure it's dry, and I let it dry for at least 10 minutes before I start cutting the lace off. This is just a new technique. There's a lot of techniques how to lay your wigs down, but every technique works for me, so I try every technique, whatever I'm feeling that day. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lace off, and I just start at the middle, and then I just go wherever my heart desires. Alright, y'all, so I'm all done. I'm just drying it, making sure everything is laid and dried and pressed into the skin and melted. So I'm showing you how it looks like. This is gorgeous hair. This hair definitely mimics Brazilian water wave texture, like to the T, but this is like the synthetic dupe of it. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous hair, y'all. So I'm just gonna let you know that this hair is 26 inches on me. I'm 5'4", and it's up right at my waist, y'all. And what else about this hair? It's super easy to manage, super easy, long, luscious hair. Like, look at this hair, y'all. Like, movable and all. Look, gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I want to let you know that I've been wearing this hair for a couple days straight, and it does tangle. Definitely tangles in the nape area. I definitely was getting some tangles all the time, but I've been having it on my head because I glued the wig down. But yeah, so I'm just showing y'all what I do on the part. I didn't pluck it. I just put powder that matched my skin tone, and I didn't use baby hairs because the baby hairs, I felt like it would have been too much for this hair. But whatever you desired, you do it. So yes, doll, it's all finished. Make sure you cop this wig. Everything you need to know will be in the description box below. below. Everything you need to know about this hair will be below, y'all. So thank you for watching. All right, like I said, it does tangle, but it's still gorgeous hair if you want to wear it every other day, but not every day. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous hair, y'all. So make sure you copy this wig, and I'll see you those in my next video. Bye.